Hello everyone. Today I am demonstrating the C code visualizer. This is the web tool built to help compiler design students visually understand how their source code is processed. Well, we will examine the lexical tokens, abstract syntax tree and control flow tree and data flow graph and unified code property. First, we load our first example if else conditional if else block. When I clicked the analyze button, the backend compiles the code into different structures and returns the confirmation that our analysis was successful. And next, in first token tab, we see the result of the lexical analysis. Every single token is listed with its value and category like keywords, identifiers, punctuators, along with the precise line and column location. This classification is the foundation of the program parsing. Then next we open the abstract syntax tree. This displays the nested hierarchy of our code. The visualizer uses colors to separate constructs, green variables declarations, purple for code blocks, and can for identifiers, and the pink for literals. You can easily drag and zoom to study the syntax of the more complex programs. And next, now we switch to the control flow graph. The graph represents all execution paths, and we see the statements grouped into basic blocks. The flowchart at entry splits the conditional block into true and false paths and converges the back before to reaching the program exist. This is how compilers analyze loops and execute paths and optimization. And next, we will move to the DFG, that means data flow graph. Instead of tracking the order of execution, the DFG visualizes how variables depend on one another. We can trace how values assigned to X flows directly into conditional check and is subsequently modified. This mapping is vital for optimization like registration allocation. And next we can move to the CFG, that means code property graph. This view merges the AST, CFG and DFG into a single path. The syntax tree structure is linked in purple, control paths are blue, and data flow paths are red. Modern static analysis and security tools use CFG to trace code vulnerabilities and tight pathways. So, in finally conclusion, I would like to say this demo, the C code visualizer makes compiler level data structures clear and interactive, and future additions will be support pointers, arrays, and step through the debugging. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.